How much should a virtual data room cost in 2023? Virtual data rooms or VDRs have become an integral tool for successful M&A transaction. Let's first define VDR. A virtual data room is a secure online cloud-based storage center of sensitive documents. Traditional VDRs can be appreciated for similar smaller deals, but most practitioners would agree for larger deals, a deal room is more desirable. We at Deal Room help dozens of companies organize their M&A process, and in this article we will explore data rooms and deal rooms difference and how much both should cost. What is a virtual data room? A virtual data room or a data room is a secure online space that acts as a repository of a company's documentation. Online data rooms allow users to share critical business information with clients, investors, and company leadership over the internet in a controllable environment. To truly transform your M&A practice through, you need to move behind a data room to a data room that leverage a platform designed specially for M&A. In fact, the best data rooms can help deals not only close faster but also better prepare for integration and even allow to conduct integration in your need. So let's look into how deal room and how they are different. What is a deal room? A deal room is a software with built-in data room but designed specially for the examples of M&A from diligence to integration with full project management capabilities along the way. Such M&A software with built-in VDR provides M&A professionals with a solution for sharing large amounts of sensitive documents, easing the burden of having to collect and disclose confidential information during the due diligence process. They also modernize and streamline document management for complex, information-heavy and M&A deals. Virtual data room pricing explain most VDR vendors still rely on per-page pricing. A pricing structure held over from the day when providers must be on-site to make copies of physical documents. Depending on transaction value and size, per-page pricing can cost anywhere between 20,000 USD to 40,000 USD. We have also all heard stories of invoices with over 100,000 due to overage costs and extended timelines. M&A professionals as well as their clients have learned to swallow large invoices from data room providers. However, VDR technology is advancing and it's time their pricing does as well. Ultimately, a project value, size and duration will determine the virtual data room price. So, where are the typical question? What average VDR cost structure should M&A professional expect? What functionally should a virtual data room have and how does it impact on price? And as the VDR market continues to grow, that should VDR invoice truly look like. So let's start with pricing structure. Virtual data room pricing structure. Virtual data room cost and pricing structure vary by vendor. See a pricing structure comparison like this. one page, many providers rely on the per page pricing model. Depending on the scope of the project, these providers will typically charge between 0.40 and 0.85 per page. This pricing structure may be attractive for small projects with a clear or set number of documents. However, for larger projects, this model can lead to large invoice and overage fees to per user. Some BDRs will provide as a set number of user license and will charge extra for each additional user. The number of users provided and the price for overage vary widely by vendor. Typically, data rooms will charge between 100 and $25 per administrative user. Before choosing a data room provider, it is important to check how many users the room will allow without charging extra. Storage size. Data room storage is another way some BDR providers determine cost. Certain BDR providers set a cost structure based on the number of gigabytes GB the room users. Other providers may allow of a certain number of GBs or provide a range and charge for overage is the needs urges. Overage can cost as much as $75 per GB. This may be a good pricing option for projects with relatively small text file size. Flat monthly fee. Other BDR providers simply charge flat monthly fees. These plans typically allow for some amount of data, unlimited space and users, and cost between $400 and $100,000 a month. Many projects can be unpredictable in size, scope and duration. BDR providers that charge flat monthly fees enable teams to focus on what's best for their project by helping them save money and avoid large overage fees. For example, farm room BDR pricing $400 month deal annually and includes unlimited users and 10 GB of storage, while for 2K you can get unlimited number of rooms with 25 GB overall storage. Additionally, farm room offers 30-day free trial so can evaluate its features yourself right away. We can safely say that flat monthly fee pricing models are ideal for extensive projects and unknown or extended timelines. And if you ever need a free virtual data room just for storage documents without flexible performance, check out Google Drive. What pricing structure is the best? In the next video, I will discuss what pricing structure is the best